Here's something wild. Two of the biggest names in 360 cameras are about to launch new flagships within a single day of each other, and almost nobody's talking about it. While Insta360 grabs headlines with its own release, DJI has been quietly prepping the Osmo 360 II, the direct successor to one of the most popular 360 cameras on the market. And based on what's leaking out right now, this isn't just a small spec bump. We're talking bigger battery, faster video, and a fix for one of the original camera's most annoying limitations. So if you've been debating whether to buy the first Osmo 360 or wait, stick around, because what DJI might be bringing to the table could completely change that decision. Now, visually, don't expect much drama. Leaked retail units show the DJI Osmo 360 II keeping almost the exact same body and button layout as its predecessor. And honestly, that's not a bad thing. When the design already works, why mess with it? The real story is happening on the inside. FCC filings tied to the upcoming Osmo 360 II reportedly point to a 2150 mAh battery, which would be roughly a 10% jump over the original. But before you get too excited, more capacity doesn't always mean more runtime, especially if DJI is pushing a stronger processor that eats through that extra juice just to keep up with heavier workloads. And that processor talk brings us straight into the next rumor: faster video. The current Osmo 360 already shoots 8K at 50 frames per second, so if these leaks about the Osmo 360 II hold up, we could be looking at 8K 60. That's not a night and day leap, but for anyone shooting fast motion, sports, action, anything moving quick in a 360 space, that extra frame headroom matters a lot. Here's the catch though. Current info suggests DJI might be sticking with the same 1/1.1 inch sensor class from before, rather than jumping to something dramatically bigger. So if that's accurate, this upgrade looks more like smarter processing than a total imaging overhaul. But here's the upgrade that actually has me paying attention. Leaked packaging suggests the DJI Osmo 360 II may finally introduce user-replaceable lenses. If you've ever owned a 360 camera, you know exactly why this matters. Those exposed dual lenses are basically begging to get scratched, and until now, damage meant sending the whole unit in for repair. A swappable lens design would completely change that risk. Honestly, about time. This single change could end up being the reason people upgrade, even if nothing else on the spec sheet moves much. On the connectivity side, things look solid but not shocking. Testing documents point to Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth support, along with NFC, likely for faster pairing, though we don't yet know if it'll handle anything like quick file transfers. As for price, leaked retailer estimates are floating the Osmo 360 II somewhere between $499 and $549 for the base model, with bundles likely costing more. Take that with a grain of salt though, none of this is official yet, and pricing leaks shift constantly before launch day. So put it all together, and the DJI Osmo 360 II isn't shaping up to be a total reinvention. It's DJI taking a camera that already worked and quietly patching its weakest points. Curious, which upgrade matters most to you? The replaceable lenses or the jump to 8K 60? Drop your take in the comments, hit like if this breakdown helped, and subscribe so you don't miss the official reveal. Because once DJI confirms the details, you'll want to be here first.